Welcome to the year 2026. If you think farming is still just about driving tractors, digging dirt, and praying for good weather, you are leaving millions of dollars on the table. Agriculture has experienced a massive technological revolution, and artificial intelligence is leading the charge. Today, we're not just growing crops, we're managing high-tech biological factories. Welcome to the era of smart farming. In this video, I will show you exactly how AI is completely transforming agriculture right now, maximizing yields, slashing costs, and turning everyday farmers into tech-savvy millionaires. Let's boot up the future. First up is computer vision and disease detection. In 2026, AI-powered drones act as the ultimate agricultural watchdogs. They fly over thousands of acres daily using advanced multispectral cameras to scan every single leaf. The AI analyzes this data in real time, detecting microscopic signs of pests, nutrient deficiencies, or fungal infections weeks before a human eye could ever see them. It instantly alerts the farmer exactly where the problem is, allowing for a precise, localized treatment that saves entire harvests and drastically cuts chemical costs. Number 2, predictive analytics and hyperlocal weather forecasting. AI systems in 2026 process millions of data points, from historical weather patterns to real-time satellite imagery and deep soil sensors. It tells the farmer the exact mathematical probability of rain on their specific acre of land. It advises the precise day and even the exact hour to plant seeds or harvest crops to achieve the maximum market value. You're no longer guessing, you are executing a perfect, data-driven business strategy.
Number 3, smart irrigation and resource optimization. Enter the AI-controlled smart grid. Microsensors buried in the soil constantly feed moisture and temperature data to a central AI brain. The system knows exactly how thirsty each individual plant is. It automatically releases the precise amount of water and liquid nutrients directly to the root zone, down to the exact milliliter. This hyper-efficiency reduces water usage by up to 40% while simultaneously boosting crop size and premium quality. Finally, number 4, fully autonomous AI greenhouses. It is happening in massive AI-controlled indoor vertical farms. It adjusts the LED light spectrums to mimic the perfect summer day, regulates the exact humidity, and deploys autonomous robotic arms to harvest the produce at peak ripeness. Just perfect premium crops growing 365 days a year, generating massive, predictable, and scalable revenue for modern entrepreneurs. The agricultural landscape of 2026 is unrecognizable from a decade ago. Smart farming is merging the innovative power of tech with the soil of the earth, creating unprecedented wealth for modern entrepreneurs. Are you ready to embrace artificial intelligence in your agricultural business? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and discover more cutting-edge, high-profit business models, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Business Ideas English. See you in the next video.